Richmond American Homes is proud to introduce the Pewter, an exciting floor plan that showcases the impressive UltraGarage. As part of the popular Seasons collection, the Pewter offers versatility, attractive pricing, and an array of options, as well as lofty 9-foot ceilings and designer details throughout. This inviting ranch-style home boasts approximately 1,820 square feet of lovely light-filled space. Guests are greeted with a covered entry, which leads into the foyer and past a generous bedroom and bath. You'll also find an additional bedroom that can be optioned as a study. Steps away, an incredible open kitchen, complete with an oversized walk-in pantry and a center island, overlooks a dining room and a spacious great room. There, center meet sliding doors open to reveal a covered patio that's ready-made for dinner parties and backyard barbecues. The luxurious owner suite is adjacent, showcasing a walk-in closet and a private bath. The laundry is located nearby. Outside, an attached UltraGarage can serve as space for an RV, a boat, or all sorts of toys. This garage also includes the optional rear overhead door for added convenience. A 2-car garage is also standard. If you're in search of a flexible floor plan with hundreds of options and the space to suit all your storage needs, the Pewter is perfect for you. Designed with you in mind for the way you want to live. Richmond American Homes.